Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a system of equations with multiple unknowns, even if it has more than three unknowns. So we normally use this method and we have too many unknowns. We use the structure analysis, stiffness matrix method for beams, trusses, and frames. So in order to solve this system of equations, we need to change it to a matrix form. So if you're going to change this, so we write down all the coefficients of unknowns in rows, all of them, and the unknowns in columns. So this matrix multiplied by this is equal to this constant column here. So if you multiply it, we get the same thing that we have it here. So to solve this for the unknowns, we technically multiply the inverse of this matrix to this constant column. So in order to get the inverse of this matrix, it's a 6 by 6 matrix, so the inverse of it is also 6 by 6. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, 6 columns, and 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write equal, we write M, N, V, I, N, V. So it's a M inverse, click on it, then select it, then close the parentheses, then Control Shift Enter. So this is the inverse of our matrix. So when we multiply a 6 by 6 matrix to a 6 by 1 matrix, the result is 6 by 1 matrix. It's a column matrix. So we select 6 by 1 and we write equal MM. If you write the MM, you get the M mult. Just click on it, select the first matrix, comma, select this constant column, close the parentheses, then again Control Shift Enter. So this is our unknowns. If you put all these unknowns to this equation, we get these constants. Yeah, this was the method. So just I want to remind you that when you write down the inverse and or you multiply the two matrices, so you just use the Control Shift Enter, not only Enter. Thank you very much.